Today I'm going to show you the contents of the PME electric sugarcraft roller and strip cutter. This comes with a 24-month warranty and full operating instructions. It also is available in UK, EU and USA plugs. It comes with a main unit with rolling slot, wide and narrow strip cutter to go with this, and also an additional handle for manual rolling and cutting. It also has a clamp holder for attaching the machine unit to the actual work surface, and it also comes with an 80-watt motor. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble your sugarcraft roller. Before you use your sugarcraft roller, you'll need to secure it to the work surface. So I've aligned the base unit with the very edge of the work surface, and now I'm ready to place the clamp into the recess and secure one to the other. So push into the recess, make sure that it's in a straight neat line, twist to secure, and then you're ready to add the additional attachments. To attach the motor to the sugarcraft roller, make sure that you insert the locks, and there's 3 of these, into the 3 holes on the side of the roller. So push these in and align them, and make sure then you push to lock, and that'll be about a 30-degree angle, and it's an anti-clockwise twist. There is also a manual handle available as an alternative. The motor has 2 speed settings, low and medium, plus a pulse button for short, quick use. To attach the wide and narrow strip cutter, align the slots on the strip cutter and on the sugarcraft roller together and slide these into position. Make sure that's firmly attached, and that's now ready in position. An additional handle is also supplied with the sugarcraft roller, and this fits on the same side for use as the motor does. Now you're ready to plug in the sugarcraft roller and begin to use. This concludes the parts and how to put together the PME sugarcraft roller and wide and narrow strip cutter.